White Castle sliders. I've never had White Castle before. Nearest one's in Missouri, and it was almost 700 miles away. So what I'm gonna do, there's something about putting the onions on bottom and poking holes in the burger. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna investigate this, and we're gonna open this sucker up. I'm gonna show you what comes out of the box. And there is no oven instructions. I do not like using a microwave. I'm old school, people. But we're going to put this in the microwave, come back out here, and we're going to taste test it and see what happens coming out of the box. I've never had a hamburger, you know, there's different brands like this. I've never had one kind of frozen like that, you know. So it's a new experience for Papa. There's the onions right there, and somehow you cook it upside down for the most part. I hadn't figured that part out, but it sounds interesting. 3 2-packs. Yeah. Hey folks, it's Papa. Papa Texas. Papa's Kitchen. This is another episode of Papa's Kitchen. Hit that bell. Alright, let's get it on. Boom. How about that? Yeah. Microwave on a high setting for 25 seconds with the bottom buns up. Got it. For 25 seconds, and turn it over and do it for 20 seconds and let it cool for a minute. We'll be right back after this. Check that out. And I got some onion rings to go with it. Oh, let's take one of these babies. Smells good. Does it have holes in it? I don't know. All right, let's go for it. It's Papa. I taste onions. Alright. I'd call it an onion burger. Now it's time for Papa to make his version of White Castle. It'll be a couple weeks. Give me some time. It's Papa, Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. Join if you like outdoor cooking videos. I'm here almost every Sunday. It's Papa. See you. God bless. Wait a minute. You want to see me eat one of these, don't you? Thought it was going to be crunchier. Pretty tasty. See you.